Optimism airdrop confirmed. This is beautiful. We're going over OP. There's already a coin on Coinbase that's called OP, Optimism. It's going to go straight to Coinbase, probably Binance, probably all the big ones once they launch. You gotta basically do not listen to rumors or official announcements. You gotta follow your gut, follow the clues. We are all just fishes in a pond. We're doing mainnet guide, and also my name is Eve, also known as Finance After 40. Subscribe, Patreon below. Media, as I said, go with your gut and follow me if you want to become wealthy with airdrops. Why? Because Optimism said before, officially, they said no coin, no airdrop, absolutely nothing. And then they came a few days ago and said, hey, you know what? We're going to have a coin, basically. Why? Because Arbitrum a few days ago said, hey, go do the snapshot. I hope you watched that video and do the snapshot and voted 14 times on Arbitrum. If not, go check my channel. And basically, Arbitrum is doing an airdrop. So now Optimism is doing an airdrop. ZK Sync will do an airdrop. We're going to cover a couple of protocols. Let's start with what we need to know. Mainnet is live. No minimum is live. Potential airdrop is live. A link for this as well below. Optimism on Twitter is an Ethereum Layer 2 basic solution. Optimism and Arbitrum both use optimistic rollup. I don't know what it means. All I want is the airdrop. Rules. Optimism doesn't have a token yet. They haven't announced any airdrop plan. Recently, they published an article about moving to community ownership and governments. This might be a signal to their token launch. We can try our luck and become one of their early mainnet. So basically, they posted this a few days ago, and they said, we're nearing the end of a chapter and beginning the next one. One driven by community ownership and governments. It's fast approaching. Community ownership and governments basically means a token so you can vote or use or swap or make some money. Basically, more on this soon. So, how do you do that? We already done that. We've done a lot of these steps back in November, December. If you follow me, we are good on Optimism. But for you that start to follow me lately, just gonna drop this guide and open some tabs so you can see what's up. First of all, go to chainlist.org and add Optimism to your MetaMask. Then use the protocol. This is live. This is not testnet. You need to send money. You need to send Ethereum, okay, from any chain that you have on MetaMask to Ethereum on Optimism. You need to bridge over some ETH to Optimism. You can use Orbiter or Hop for the bridges on layer 2 from Polygon because it's cheap. If you want to send from Ethereum, it's up to you. If you have money on Binance Smart Chain, also an option, I think, I'm not sure. But I've sent from Polygon. I also sent from ETH. Both Orbiter and Hop do not have a coin. You're going to use Orbiter. I have used myself. There's a tutorial back in, 3-4 months ago in my channel. Go check it out for Hop Exchange. So what do? You go to, let's start with this. Orbiter, just for the example, you need to send Ethereum. Very important. You got to send Ethereum for Ethereum gas fees. You're going to click. You don't need to send ETH or USDC. Send Ethereum. You are the sender. Connect your wallet. Try it here. You can send from Ethereum, from ZK Sync, Loopring. This is beautiful. From Arbitrum, Polygon, Optimism, Immutable, Medicine, Starknet, Testnet, Gourley, which we've done a couple of videos. Send from Polygon if you have some. Send from Arbitrum, I think is the best. From Arbitrum to Optimism. Take 2 birds in 1 stone, or also ZK Sync. To Optimism, get yourself, I don't know how much, up to you. Gas fee save, you save $30. It's going to take you a couple of pennies worth of ETH. Takes you 45 seconds instead of 10 minutes. And basically, this is what you need to do. And after that, do this. Me, myself, and the tutorial, we've done this. We have sent ETH, okay? We're using Hop Exchange. We also put some money in the pool. We also convert, and we also staked. Just an FYI. send some ETH from other Ethereum, Polygon, Genesis, from XDAI, CowSwap airdrop that we've got, Optimism or Arbitrum, try all of them or one of them, whatever that you have money, to Optimism. I would use both bridges because both of them, as the article said, have no coin. And hopefully, once coins will start rolling with airdrops, the bridges will follow. Next, let's see what we got. Step 2, start interact with different protocol on Optimism. We have done Uniswap before. We put some money in Uniswap, we put some money in Uniswap LP. Aave is already live on Optimism for swap and borrow. I list some protocols on Optimism. Pickup protocol, DeFi airdrop on Twitter is a very legit like airdrop person. He posts like every like I don't know 2-3 times a month. He's right on the money most of the time. Go to Pickup protocol. This is a DEX for perpetual. You can either trade perps or deposit USDC for 20% APR on a stable. So basically, they're giving you this option. They don't have a coin. They are on Optimism, and you can basically, this is the application Pika. You have two options. Basically, said you can put money in the vault, USDC vault, connect your wallet, of course. I think it's full. I'm not sure. I haven't done that. Or trade for which coins you can trade. All those pairs, Solana, Avalanche, Medic, Luna, pretty cool. And you can go up to, is there a leverage in here? Let's see what's the max, just so you know. 50x leverage, beautiful. 50x leverage to get tracked so fast and so quick if you want to. But this is nice. It's on Optimism. Maybe I should check it out because I like open leverage on Binance Smart Chain. Again, link below, only 5x. So they have Optimism and they have Ethereum Testnet. Okay, and go long, short. This is nice. I'll take Luna at 90. The AI says go long. At 90, I go long 50x and I get tracked 2 seconds later because of the fees or something. But this is nice. Big guy's been audited, still in beta. Use your own risk and don't leverage to oblivion. Okay, but basically the article, the DeFi airdrop person says use the vault, put some money in USDC. It doesn't say about trading. I would do a couple of trades in and out, just just to make sure that I'm good and have some volume, like 5 trades or something. Just all speculation, basically. Next, we got ourselves Clipper Exchange, another AMM. I've done this one on Medic like months ago, and then they roll up from Medic. They added Optimism. They on other networks start with Optimism, add liquidity, make some swaps. So let's go here real quick. Clipper is the one right here. Connect your wallet to Optimism. You see, I did some trades on Polygon to get the coin. There's no coin live. Basically, Optimism liquidity pool has reached its limit. Okay, so we cannot do the liquidity, but you can do swaps. So once you're on Optimism, I don't know, you got 1 ETH or 0.1 ETH or something like that. Swipe a little for DAI or USDC, swipe again, and basically it is what it is, and hope for the best. Let's move on to this one. This is a new one. I haven't done that. Polynomial, what is this? Polynomial provide DeFi option vault just like Ribbon. We've done a video about Ribbon, actually use it. Tetanos and Katana, those two. I don't know Tetanos, I know Katana is on Solana. It's basically passive income. You put some money, Ethereum, Bitcoin, not Bitcoin, Ethereum, for example, and they do automatic covered calls or cash secure put, and you make income. They take your stake ETH, stake USD deposit. You can get the stake ETH, stake USD from swapping covered calls. Currently, you make about almost 12% on the Ethereum. Cash secure put 14% on your stable. Okay, it is what it is. It's good. It's good. If you have 100 ETH, for example, add another almost 12% to that. It's pretty awesome. Just on Optimism, and the fees are not Ethereum fees. That's the critical part. Let's see where it is. I heard a rumor on the website that it's closed. I don't know if it's true. Max capacity 1.5 million already full. Max capacity 450 ETH already full. So we can't really do anything about it. It is what it is for now. Let's move on. Let's move on. Pegasus, another AMM, another perpetual. Pay attention to leverage trading this year. I don't think a lot of people are talking about it. Leverage trading on all those layer 2 could be huge. Why? Because until now we had Bytebit, you know who promote Bytebit. We have FTX, basically we have Binance, but those are like the three main ones now. But those are like Bybit is, I don't know, I haven't used Bybit, but now decentralized perpetual, meaning there's one on Optimism, there's one on Arbitrum, there's one below for Binance Smart Chain, Open Leverage. They haven't even launched a coin, so if you trade you might get an airdrop. Cool stuff coming. Let's see what it is. Basically, it says we covered the testnet before. They have just launched mainnet. You can trade and reward SLPEGA. Read details here. So basically, let me see where it is. Did I open that? Here we go. So you can trade. Let's see what this one. I can trade. Connect your wallet to trade. Okay. Can I change coins just to see what you guys have? You can trade up to 5x leverage. Okay. 5x leverage, it's not 50. That's a little more reasonable, and you can do some stuff. Funding, ranking, docs, read all about it. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. Trade, I can't even change. That's not nice. I need to connect my wallet just to see what you guys have. None, never gonna make it. You never gonna make it. Anywho, go do all those steps before the coin is live. I hope you have done the tutorials that I've done almost 6 months ago on Optimism when we started to plant seeds, and now we are starting to reap the rewards for the next couple of months for the entire 2022. Optimism, Arbitrum, ZK Sync, all that good stuff. Patreon below to access DM me plus AI prediction. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.